Hey, curious about how much money you need to retire? The Canadian government's retirement calculator can help, and it's more valuable than you might think. So, let's jump into walking you through the tool. It'll take around 30 minutes to enter your info. Speed the process up by having your CPP contributions, pension information, RRSP statement, and any other retirement benefits handy. Okay, first, enter your personal information, current and desired retirement income, an estimated life expectancy. An RRSP can give your retirement income an added boost. Then, enter the value of your plan, how much you'll contribute to it before you retire, and when you plan to start and stop using it. If you have any other savings, like a TFSA, enter that info too. People who've lived in Canada for at least 40 years and plan to retire here may be eligible for old age security. Provide your details, including when you plan to receive your OAS pension. Your final summary will show you your estimated retirement income and any shortfalls you may have. This printable report helps you understand your financial future and where you're at in your retirement savings journey. But remember, this tool can help you see where things may end up, but the best way to get there is to talk to an expert financial advisor. They can help answer your questions and optimize your plan to achieve your goals.